Welcome to Transforming Our World from Within, an inner online adventure hosted from here in the Findhorn Foundation community. Transforming our world from within is an opportunity to be in the world, with all that's coming up in the world, all the events, the crises that we're living through in this extraordinary period in our time, very differently for a whole week. It's an opportunity to explore and inquire into the ways in which we receive the world inside us. We'll be sensing into and presencing those inner energetic structures through which our experience of the world outside arises and is reflected outside of us as a world in turmoil and upheaval. Transforming our world from within is an opportunity to sense together into some of this inner movement and action sensed and arising from deep within us, through which we're called to be together, to listen to each other, and to act together in radically different ways. There are worlds waiting to be brought forth through us, through a very different consciousness than that to which we've become habituated. This is a consciousness through which there's no question of our wholeness, of the integrity of the inner action awaiting to arise through us, to take form as a very different outer world, one not characterized through separation, fragmentation within, one characterized by a very different quality of presence and of love.